The continuity audit is an important undertaking for the enterprising family. And the commitment of the family, but even more so the participation of the family, is key. Together with them, we're going to explore the past, the present, and the future of their enterprise and the aspirations they have into that future. So we need every family member to be fully engaged in this process. To do so, we often recommend starting the continuity audit with a first workshop, which we call the continuity audit workshop. Typically, going over a day, maybe a day and a half, it brings together all the family members that will be participating in the audit. And we have a few objectives when we develop such a workshop. The first objective, of course, is for the family to understand what they're actually engaging in. How is the process going to look like? What are the different steps we will be going through, so that they clearly understand from the start what the journey is going to look like. The other point, of course, which is extremely important because of all family members coming from very different backgrounds, is the ability to develop a common vocabulary. We will be talking about different concepts, different conceptual frameworks that we use in the analysis of the situation and the development of our recommendations. And it's key that families have that common understanding of what we are going to talk about. Another objective, of course, is to get to know the consultant or the consultants that will be working with the family all along the journey. It is important that we can develop initially some good chemistry, because that's the first basis of the trust we need to move ourselves forward with the family. And then, of course, as I mentioned, people are coming from such different backgrounds, they don't feel equally confident about their own ability to contribute and participate in the process. So the workshop is also designed to bring them on an equal footage. And if we are successful, well, we're likely to have different outcomes. One, we will reduce the anxiety within the family and all the stress that can come from engaging in a continuity audit. The second thing is that we will be able to exercise some muscles, communication, sharing, common understanding, that are so critical to the success of a continuity audit.